Welcome to Linux Help, how to create extensions on AI SmartCaller. In this lecture, we will provide a detailed overview of creating extensions within the AI SmartCaller application. AI SmartCaller is an extremely valuable tool for developing extensions tailored for office environments through its graphical user interface. Additionally, this session will address the process of creating a SIP within AI SmartCaller and the necessary steps to configure it with the microphone. Now we are going to see the step-by-step process to create the extensions in AI SmartCaller, and how to configure it in Microsip. After completing this video, you have clear knowledge to create the extensions in AI SmartCaller. Click on Cloud PBX. Under that, click on SIP. Then click Create SIP. For example, name is Alan. Enter the password. Enter the extension what you want to create. And click Save. The password I given is 123456. Now the extension for Alan is created. Now create another SIP. Name Alex and extension is 179. Click Save. Now two extensions were created. We are going to configure that in Microsip. Click this icon to view the extension's details. Here we see domain, auth ID. Now open the first Microsip. Click on Add Account. Account name is auth ID from the SIP. SIP server is SIP domain from SIP account info. Username is auth ID, and domain is domain name. Login also username. Password must be same, what you given for 179 extension. Allow TCP plus UDP. Now it shows online. Now we are going to configure second Microsip. For the extension 178. Same steps are followed for the before extension. Remember that password must be same. Now it shows online. Make a call from 178 to 179. Okay, now the call is coming from 178. Alan. cut the call. Now make a call to 178 from 179. It also working. That's all. Now we learn to create extensions in AI SmartCaller. And also known how to configure that in Microsip. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.